welcome to Keto Alicious. Today I'm going to be making an avocado salad, which is super easy, fast. My whole motto is I understand that people work and they have busy lives. So, I understand that and I do too. So I'm gonna just make something super quick and easy for all you avocado lovers out there. This is a quick way to be able to have a quick salad, to have something that is wonderful. You can pack this in your lunches. You could make this the day before. It's just super easy. So all I'm doing here is I'm just cutting my avocado, and I'm just going to cut it in half, and it is so easy. So I just throw my knife, be careful, don't cut yourself, and I twist, and that center just comes out just super simple. And then from there, and I just did a video on how to start a garden with seeds. A lot of our foods that we eat, we can actually start if you had an organic, and it doesn't have to be organic. Let me back that up. If you had a seed, all you have to do is put a couple, 3 toothpicks into that, stick it into a glass of water, a cup of water, like upside down, or I think it's the bigger part that you set down, because that's where the root is. Or the opening that it will open and sprout, and you just let it sit like halfway into the water, and in a few weeks you'll see it sprout. Who knows? I mean, if you guys are looking for cheaper ways to eat keto, I'm always trying to give some little tips. All right, so this is super easy. All I do, and this is a great way to use some leftovers as well. And that's exactly what I'm doing here today. I have some leftover salami from a meal, and I'm just going to cut this into a little tiny pieces, not anything spectacular. And I'll just kind of set these aside. So depending on how many you're making, I mean, half of this could be one meal. If you're really hungry to get your fats in, you could do both of them. So I just take, a little bit of meat, and I have some shaved mozzarella, and I also have some tomato that's left over. So I'm going to cut some tomato. Now you guys can make this very versatile. I'm just doing this, it's so easy. I'm just trying to give some easy ideas when you don't have time to really cook, and I add that to it, add some salt, some Himalayan sea salt, kind of mix it up. And this is how easy it is. I just take it and I scoop it into the opening, and I kind of press down. And I don't even take it out of the skin, because the skin is kind of the base of it. So I just put it in, and I'm not kidding you guys, this is just so easy and so fast. So you're getting some of your proteins, you're getting your fats, you're getting some carbs, and you're adding up your calories, because some people don't know how to continually add up their to get enough calories, or to get enough macros in your day. So I know that just looks super easy, but it is. Look at those. They're beautiful. You've got Parmesan cheese, you've got tomato, you could put green onions in there. You've got some salami or your favorite meat. And then I made some homemade Italian dressing, which consists of Italian spices, and it has avocado oil, and it has balsamic vinegar. You could use red wine vinegar. Oh, actually I used red wine vinegar this time. Salt and pepper, and I added a little bit of Parmesan cheese and a little bit of lemon juice. And I have a little bit of leftover from the other night. And if you just take that and just pour it, look at that. Pour slowly in there. You could put it in a Tupperware and set them straight up and close the Tupperware and they won't go anywhere. You've already got your Italian dressing on it. And then I would put some Himalayan sea salt over the top of this onto the avocado. And you've got that opening so some of this Italian dressing just kind of seeps down into it. Look how beautiful those are. Those are amazing and they're quick, and I think I did that whole thing in under 2 minutes or so. So there you have it, you guys, a quick, easy meal. It is avocado salad. Add your meats to it, your proteins, add some fats to it, and you are set to go. And I can't even put a little bit of, maybe Parmesan over the top of it. And there you go. You have yourself an amazing, quick, easy lunch or dinner. And that's what this is all about, is don't make keto hard, make it simple and you'll stay with it, but make amazing recipes or amazing quick foods that you and your family love so you will not want to leave it. Because all of the recipes and things that I make, also the things that the hints and tips and tricks that I do, I hope that helps you stay on keto, lose your weight, get to your goal like my journey is. And I'm excited for your journey as well as mine. And until next time, you guys, stay with me. I love each and every one of you. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.